Hello YouTube, welcome to another edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you are new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here today. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm always happy to see you. So today I really haven't felt good. I've had a headache all day. My blood pressure's been running high, but it's better now. So I thought I would share a grocery haul with you. My sister brought out some groceries for me today. So I will share with you what she got for me. She did pretty good, so I'm set for a while. And I'm also going to include a bonus cooking video in with the grocery haul because this meal is so easy and simple to put together. You guys aren't gonna believe it. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm glad I was able to do some light cooking today. It wasn't much of anything, but it I think it turned out well. And if you try it, I think you'll love it. So let's get into the kitchen and show you my grocery haul, and let's get cooking. All right, everyone, here is all of the groceries that my sister brought out to me. I'm really grateful that she brought me out so much to help and this truly is helping a lot. So starting on this side, 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese, a bag of potato chips. So most of this stuff is the SC Grocer brand, which is Winn-Dixie. And then for days that I might have an upset stomach, she got a couple boxes of Jello and some instant pudding. So I think it would be good, especially to have the Jello in the refrigerator. Oh, and I forgot that she picked up a pack of applesauce, a box of Pop-Tarts, and some bananas, 2 packs of the instant potatoes. I really like these. That's just enough for 1 or 2. It's easy to fix. And some nights when I don't feel good, that's all I do is some instant potatoes. So she got the regular home style and baby red. So yeah, I think I said bananas, a loaf of bread. Then she got some of these smoked sausages, which I'm actually using in another video tonight. I'm doing a sheet pan dinner. And a pack of the smoky links. I haven't had these in a very long time, so these will be good. And she got me some lunch meat. She got some ham, and I think the other one is turkey. I already tried a piece of the ham. It was really good. Yep, smoked turkey breast. And then I was out of sour cream. I do use a lot of that. She got a pack of bagels and a thing of the spreadable cream cheese to go on them. And I have been really craving sweet things lately. I don't know why, but I've seemed to suddenly have a sweet tooth, so she picked me up some cinnamon rolls. And for another recipe, I think I'm going to do a quick and easy chicken pot pie recipe. So she picked me up a can of biscuits. When I do that, that will give me leftovers to warm up, so that's good. And she got me some half and half. I was almost out of that. I use that a lot when I cook. And my wheelchair got stuck. There we go. And then she got me, here in the back, she got a rotisserie chicken, which I can really use. Another gallon of my, sorry, a gallon of the Milo sweet tea. I have really been enjoying that. And then she got a box of French toast sticks. And these little deep dish Red Baron pizzas. Yes, they are open. I had one of these for my lunch. So I love these little pizzas. They're just the right amount. I can eat the whole thing. And then she got me just a large cheese pizza. And her round things, excuse me. She got some of these little Lunchable things. There's 2 bologna, a ham, and a pepperoni. Yeah, pepperoni. So yeah, this is my Winn-Dixie haul with many thanks to my sister. At this point, I don't know what I would do without her. So I'm very grateful. And also not pictured, she picked me up a case of water. I put my last 5 bottles of water in my refrigerator the other night, so I've been trying to drink more water. So I do have a couple cases of flavored water, but you know, sometimes you just want plain old water and no flavoring or anything in it. So yes, this will hold me for quite a while. Oh, and I forgot to set my eggs out as well. She did bring me a carton of fresh eggs. I have 2 cartons of old eggs in there. I'm gonna boil 1 carton, and the other carton I'm gonna use for either French toast or egg bites. Or both. I haven't decided which one yet. So let's go back, and I will let you guys know what else is going on. Alright guys, you know this dinner tonight is going to be so super easy. I just decided to include it in my grocery haul video. So I'm just taking 2 of these smoky links, and I'm just going to cut them into chunks. Just good bite-sized pieces. So this is the easiest sheep ham meal you could ever do. So I think you guys will really enjoy this a lot. Alright, so I got my sausage all cut up. The next step is just a bag of frozen broccoli. So I'm gonna open that up. And I may only use half a bag of this. I'll have to see. And yeah, I think that's good. And so I'm only using half a bag. If you have a larger family to feed, use the whole bag. And then I'm going to add about a half a bag of these onions and peppers. I absolutely love sheep ham meals, especially when you're not feeling good. And just dumping everything here on the tray, and just always make sure to line your tray with some foil, so that way the cleanup is easier. I had already sprayed the bottom of my foil, so now I'm just getting ready to spray my veggies and my sausage. And I'm going to add some of my Auntie No-No's everything seasoning. Oops. This one needs the sprinkle cap on it. And you really want a good amount. Broccoli needs a lot of pulp. Alright. Then, let's see. I'm just going to give this all a good mix. I don't even have my oven up preheated yet. I'm just going to turn the oven on and stick everything in, and it will thaw and heat at the same time that the oven preheats. So everything's already cooked, and you're pretty much good to go. I'm going to rinse my hands off. And I'm just going to turn my oven on to 400 degrees, probably maybe 30 minutes for this to get done. Look how pretty that looks. That looks so pretty. Let me turn this up a little bit. There you go. I love those colors. That looks gorgeous. All right. I will bring you guys back in about 30 minutes. All right, guys, I just stirred the broccoli, the onions and peppers, and the smoked sausage. It smells so good. I forgot that I had some potatoes I was going to throw on the tray, so instead of that, I'm actually going to make this cheddar broccoli rice. So in my pan, I have my water. It says on the directions to use milk, but all I have is half and half, so that is what I put in there. So let me get my bag open. See if I can tear it here. And I don't think that's torn enough, so let me go ahead and cut the bag open. I'm holding my tripod and trying to open the bag, so sorry about all the moving around. Alright. And you're just going to dump that in there. Just like that. And I need to grab a spoon. And all you have to do at this point is just let it simmer until the rice is cooked. And then you cover it and just let it stand. So this should be done about the same time as our broccoli and sausage. And that was the timer for the broccoli and sausage, but I just looked at it, so I am leaving that in there until this is done. So I will bring you back when the rice is done. All right, guys, we are back. Look at our broccoli and our let's see here. There we go. Our sausage, broccoli, and peppers. It looks so pretty. And we have our rice over here. It is perfectly done. It is a little on the creamy side, but that's okay because we're adding all of the extra veggies in it. All right, so let's get this plated up. Let me set you guys down. I will stand up to do this. And you guys, this meal was so easy, I even forgot to put my chef hat on, but I have it on now for you. So look at that. Beautiful. She looks so pretty. right. Let me grab my spoon and hot holder. And we're just going to dish this right on top of our bowl. This meal came together. There was maybe 5 minutes of cooking time and about 20 minutes for the rice. As the peppers turned off, I put the rice on and then just let the peppers finish cooking. And there you have it. Let me show you what the bowl looks like. Alright, I am so excited for this dinner. This looks so pretty. I cannot wait to try her. She just looks pretty. She's saying I'm here for you. So I think for this meal I'm going to use a spoon. So let me get a little bite of everything here. It is still pretty hot. So let's cool this off some. Look at that bite. I cannot wait for this. Here it comes. Mmm. Mmm. Y'all. This is so good. I love the broccoli. It's really one of the few veggies that I can actually eat. I'm gonna enjoy this a lot. So, oh, and you know you can really taste the anti-no-nos on this, and that was all I put on it, which was just seasoned salt, pepper, and I think garlic powder and onion powder. So I am going to drop my spoon and woo, here comes a happy dance. Woo! I hope you give this sheet pan meal a try. It was so easy. It was cheap. Hardly any effort on my part at all, which is good because I've not had a good day today. My blood pressure's been sky high. I've had an awful headache all day. So this was a good, easy meal for me. And it got some green veggies in me. So I'm happy with this meal. And you know that broccoli rice mixture, you can serve that on. You can mix it with macaroni and cheese. You can mix it with any kind of pasta, any kind of rice, and it will turn out good every time. So that concludes this edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. I hope you enjoyed this grocery haul and cooking video. And as far as my dinner, all I can do is chef kiss of approval. So yeah, I think I'm gonna enjoy this dinner and get my dishwasher run, and I'm calling it a day. I hope y'all are having a great weekend. I will see you tomorrow. Be safe, be happy, be blessed, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye!